using Messenger bot as a restaurant. In the dashboard drop down and select eCommerce Store feature. Then, click Create Store. Select the Facebook page for which you want to create your store. Put your restaurant name on the store name field. An email address is required for the store/restaurant, also the full address of your restaurant. Then select your locale. Locale is the language of your restaurant. You may want to create your restaurant in your local language. Select a language from the drop-down list. And then upload a logo and favicon for your restaurant. You can also use Facebook Pixel ID and Google Analytics ID to keep a track of your visitors. After that, write down your terms of service and refund policy on the specific form fields. Click Create Store. The store has been created successfully. Click OK. You can see a menu named Actions on the right side. Go to Actions, Store Settings. You can edit your store from here. You can change or add anything to your existing store from here. After Store Settings there is an option for Checkout Settings. You can add your payment methods from here. As soon as you click on the Checkout Settings, a page with forms will appear to add your payment options. You can add PayPal, Stripe, Molly, Razorpay, Paystack, and also you can create a manual payment instruction. Now that the store/restaurant has been created and the payment methods are also added to the store, click Save. Go to the Actions, Categories from the right side menu to create categories. You can create as many categories as you want. Add category name. Then, click Save. You can also edit and delete your categories. When you click on the categories, your existing categories will appear. You can edit or delete any category you want. Now you can add food items for each category. Before we add food items, we will create some attributes for food. To add attributes, click on Attribute from the right side menu, then click on Add Attribute. A form will pop up. Give a name for the attribute and make attribute values. Just put a comma after each attribute to separate them. Click Save. Now we will add products or food items for the restaurant. To add products, go to Products, Add Products. A form will appear to add products. Select the store from the drop-down list on the store field and category on the respective form field. Select the category from the drop-down list. Then add an attribute from the list of attributes. Click on the Attribute Form field to see the list of attributes we just created. Fill up the product name, put price. And if there is a discount, then also fill up the selling price. You can also add a product description and purchase note. Then upload thumbnail and featured image of your product or food item. Click Save. There is an option called Delivery Points. You can create a delivery point in case if it is not home delivery. For example, if it is a store pickup for your restaurant, you can make tables as delivery points. Go to Delivery Points, then Add Points. A form will pop up. Give a point name and point details. Then, click Save. You can also edit, delete or deactivate delivery points. You can as well create coupons for your restaurant. To create a coupon, click on the Coupons option in the Action menu on the right side of the dashboard. The interface of coupons will appear. Now, click on the Add Coupon button. After you click on the Add Coupon, a form will appear. Fill up the form to create a coupon. At the product fields, you will have to add the products for which the coupons will be applicable. Click on the product field to see the list of the products. And select your products from there. You can add multiple products. After that, select the coupon type. There are 3 types of coupon: %, fixed cart, and fixed product. Then fill up the form field named coupon code. This code will be used as a coupon. Put a coupon amount on the respective field, and then the expiry date for the coupon and the maximum usage limit. You can also add free shipping with this coupon if you want to. Finally, save the coupon. You can check your orders from Orders under the Action menu. When you click on Orders, you can see all your orders and you can change the order status from there. You can approve the order and change the status of the orders. When you select a status to be changed, a form will appear to write an additional note and save the status. You can copy URLs of your restaurant from the Copy URL option under the Action menu. You can visit your store/restaurant from Visit Store. After that, there is an order status notification, confirmation, and reminder report, and delete store options. You can read our documentation, link to the documentation, to know more details about these options. Or you can access your restaurant through Facebook Messenger with the Messenger bot application. Open the Messenger and click Get Started, which pop up when you send the first message on the Facebook page that associated with Messenger bot. An auto reply will pop up and choose the variety of food you want to order. Just click the buttons for choices. Click the choices you want to order from individual choices to all food choices. When you click the burger, this will appear. You may choose to order now or view the All Foods button. This is all the food menu inside the Messenger store. This is the store inside Messenger using the Messenger bot application. The store has its own home menu, My Orders, Cart, Overview, and more. Your customer can sign in and sign out into your store. Customer or FB subscriber can assign their delivery address, and choose a default payment method, from manual payment, online money payment to cash on delivery. After placing an order, you will receive an order confirmation from the store. Order confirmation summary. A message will be sent about the status of your order. With the Messenger bot application, you can now start your restaurant inside Facebook.